Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and I'm going to walk you through the Argument Debate Challenge Hyperdoc. Thank you for clicking on this link and getting to this video. The first section is Engage. It's worth 20 points. You get 10 points for your post and 5 points for each additional post. The first thing you're going to do is good writing, is hard work, is this true for you? You need to go log into Google Classroom and post on that question. The question is posted under Unit 5 Debate. Once you post, you need to go back and respond to 2 peer posts. Please remember that you need to be racing your response, so restate, answer, cite, and explain. You'll be using evidence from your own life to explain your answer to this prompt. Once you're done, you're going to fill this section and cell in green that you wrote your post. In order to fill a cell in green, I'm going to come up here where it says background color. I'm going to put my cursor there, come up here, and I'm going to click on green. Once again, to fill a cell green, I have to move my cursor there, come up to the paint can, and fill it in. Once I'm done, I'm going to type the names in of the 2 peers that I responded to. I'm going to put their names in here. So I responded to Jackie, and then I responded to Juan. Remember, when you're responding to your peers, you're not just saying that you agree or disagree, you're explaining your answers. That will get you through the first section. The next section you're going to do is you're going to come down to Explore. Please note that it's 5 sections. Each section is worth 100 points for 500 points total. You're going to log into EverFi here. However, if this is your first time coming to EverFi and you need to register for an account, you're going to click here and watch that video. Your class codes are right down here. You would just highlight, Control-C and Control-V to paste and log in. You're working on the honor code. This should be your initial screen. If this isn't the screen you're seeing, then you are in the wrong module. Just a heads up, this EverFi module, because it's worth 500 points, it's going to take you 1 full class period to get that done. Once you're done, here are those 5 sections that you're going to be working through. Once you finish the community section, you're going to click on that box, come back up to this paint can, fill it in green, and then type your score in here. If you got 100 on that section, you put 100 in there. So you're going to work your way through everything that way. The next is your Explain section. It's worth 24 points. You are thinking back to that essay you wrote in 7th grade after you read your dystopian book. This prompt is really similar to that. So it says, change starts with one person, and the things we do today can impact us and the people around us for the rest of our lives. You're going to race this response. So do you agree with that or do you disagree? You're going to click here. It's going to force you to make a copy, and then you're going to type directly into the graphic organizer. Once you're done with this graphic organizer, you're going to need to attach it by adding it to your Google document. So once I fill out the graphic organizer, I'm going to come up here and then fill in green. And then once I attach it to the completed assignment, I'm going to fill it in yellow. Remember, I'm adding to the assignment by using the paper clip. The last thing I'm going to do is come down here and do the extend. I'm going to be playing inside a Breakout EDU box today. Here is the premise that robots are taking over the world. If this is your first time coming to Breakout EDU and you need to create an account, can you click here and watch this video? If you are already a member of Breakout EDU, you just need to click here and then use your username and login. Just a heads up, you have 4 locks to open. If you can open all 4 locks before the due date of this assignment, you'll be getting 10 extra credit points. You're going to fill in green for each lock that you open, and then you're going to fill in the cell yellow for your 4th lock. Remember, in order to fill in things, you're coming up here to this paint bucket and filling in. Remember, you can stop and pause and rewind this video as much as you need, or come and talk to us. Have a great time, and I can't wait to see your learning.